What's up guys, welcome back to another episode of Sedan Garage. Today we are out at Queensland Raceway. So I have booked myself a morning session on the new drift playground. I've literally just pulled up, so I'm just about to unload the car. Another 33 four-doors just pulled up, which is sick. So obviously you got the cruiser here, got the Skyline, got enough sets of tyres. Obviously I'll put these back on when I go home. I'm keen to test out the new extended LCAs I've just put in, because that looks aggressive. I have done some driving in the rain recently, and mate, the lock is unreal. So I've already put a set of tyres on this morning. The car is pretty much ready to go. Fluids are all good. It's just pretty much unload the car and I'll jack it up, put it on stands, warm the diff up, and we'll see what happens. So I'm very excited. It's been a while since I've been drifting. It was probably over a year since I went drifting, but I went on the big track out there. So being excited is an understatement. I'm just waiting for my wife to get here. So she'll be here sometime in the next, say, half an hour. I think drifting starts at 8:30. It's now like 8 o'clock. So anyway, let's get the car unloaded and we'll go from there. Right, so I got the car up on stands. I just torqued the wheel nuts with a bar. So these tyres I actually used last time I was here. I've just had them flipped, so they're still good on the inside. Not so good on the outside, but the Skyline squats, so hopefully it'll just burn the inside out. So we'll just going to start the car up, and I'm just going to put it in first and let the diff run for a bit. Because obviously I haven't driven it for a little while, so got to make sure everything's warm before I go and flog the arse out of it. Bit of a shameless merch plug here. So I designed this little logo. Actually, sorry, I lie. I had my mate Hayden design this logo. So now I've got it in a long sleeve. My wife's got one herself. A couple of my other mates have got shirts. So if you actually genuinely want one, please hit me up on Instagram. So it's at Sedan Garage _. Shoot me a message and then we can organise if you guys want a shirt or not. But anyway. Yeah! Woo! Oh. There's a tyre.
Yep.
Okay, so I've done my first couple laps. My gorgeous wife's going to change my tyres as my pit crew. So I've done my first set of tyres. They are fact. That one I blew. This one's almost there, but I've got another 3 sets. So we'll I'll get them changed out, and I'll probably just hang out for a bit. I'm going to get my wife to film from the outside with her phone. So yeah, I'm having a fucking ball. It is so much fun. Oh, it is so much fun. Wouldn't, you know, I did actually take out a cone before. Also hit a cone, which you would have seen in the last clip, but I haven't done any damage apart from driving my car into the fucking ramps yesterday when I loaded it up. Absolute dickhead. I forgot to tilt it, drove it straight into the ramp. Fucked my lip, but that's okay. I'm gonna get a fiberglass bar anyway, get rid of this one. Not get rid of it, but I'm gonna just get it repaired and put it in my roof so I know it's safe. Got a bit of tyre rub on the guard, but that's okay. That's just drifting. So I got the hottest pit crew here, changing my tyres. Are you having fun?
Yes.
How much fun?
Lots.
Oh, that's good. Anyway, guys, I'm going to change some tyres and yeah, we'll get back out there. not a sight I wanted to see today, but anyway, it is what it is. So under a little bit of inspection, I've found that I've rubbed through. So this oil feed line here that feeds my turbo, I've actually rubbed through it on the underside of the turbo there. So if we get under the car, get under here, you can see that right there, right in the middle of the rear housing of the turbo. I've rubbed a hole through that line. So it is what it is. It could have been worse. As I was saying, it could have been worse, but I happened to spin out here and my car wouldn't start, and so I pulled in, hopped out, got a drink. I was just looking over my car and there was a big fucking puddle on the ground, which you can see just there. And it turned out that, yeah, I'd rubbed a hole in my front bar. Oh, not my front bar, fucking hell. In my turbo line, but that's okay. My wife's laughing at me. Today was good until that fucking happened, but only got through one set of tyres and then I just started to burn through these. So I've still got another pair sitting over there and that pair there still to be used, but we'll I know obviously I can't get this fixed today. I won't have a turbo line here, but I'm pretty sure I've got one at home, so win-win. Anyway guys, I'll just I know we'll just hang out for a bit and we'll watch some driving, and yeah, then I'll load the car up and we'll go home. I'm going to do a little bit of trackside maintenance. I'm just going to get this hose off now anyway, because, well, if I get it off now, it means I don't have to do it when I get home. So, in a bit of a bastard of a spot, but I don't know, shit happens guys, and this is what drifting does. So, with all in all, super happy to be here. I've learned heaps today, which has been great. I've had a fucking absolute ball. I've never, without sounding cocky at myself, I never knew I thought I could drive the way I have today. Sorry the video hasn't been that much, but you know, obviously I wanted to make content, but I also just wanted to have a good time for myself, as it is. You know, good times are what we all need. So I'm gonna get this line out and I'll show you guys what the problem is. Alright, so after all that, this here is the culprit. There's a tiny hole literally right in front of there. So lucky I've got another one of these at home, because when I bought my turbo from Hypergear, he sends you obviously an oil feed line with it. So next time I'm just gonna have to, when I go to fit it up, obviously because with the RBs, there, if you can see in there, just in there somewhere is the oil feed coming out of the block. Then it wraps around the turbo and goes straight in the top of the turbo, which is right there. So obviously, yeah, gotta get another one of them. I might even look at getting some of those like heat shrink tubings, and I'll put some heat shrink tubing over the top of it and keep the heat out of it. But other than that, shit happens, and I know it is what it is. So we're gonna load the car up now, and then yeah, we'll see how we go from there. Alright guys, that's gonna be me for the end of the day. All in all, car's loaded up, did the turbo feed line, but shit happens. I literally burst a set of tyres, which I was, I don't know, really stoked to do. So I had a great time. I can't ask for much more than that. Obviously now I've worked out there's some things I need to do. I need to get rid of this front bar because, yeah, she's pretty well, not fact, but I'll get it repaired. Once again, genuine plastic. Can't let it go to waste. I'm looking at getting like just a K-Mac GTR, GTST front bar. I think I'm going to do the subframe very soon, but obviously I'm going to drive a few more sessions of this before I do so. Other than that, I had a great time, so thanks to the guys that put the event on today. I had a ball, and this will be the end of my video. So thank you very much for watching guys. Please stay tuned for more content. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, do whatever. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.